Hi everyone, look what I got you today. Something unique, something different. It's a grounding sheet. It's a fitted sheet made of cotton and silver fiber. It also comes with two pillow cases. All right, this is the queen size and it provides grounding, which means that it will help taking out all the negative energy out and sending it to the ground. Okay, and I know this sounds very strange, so let's explore how this works. This is a normal sheet, but it's not just a normal sheet. It can be connected through these wires, okay, to ground the energy out. It's a 14-inch pocket sheet and the material is amazing. It's really nice and cool. Make sure you wash it though before you use it. How it looks like. Look at it. It's gorgeous. I believe from here, this is where you are going to connect the grounding. This is the grounding device. We are going to just grab it and we're gonna connect it from here like that, and we're gonna put this end here onto the ground, so it will take out all the energy while you are sleeping and will help like feel fresher, better in the morning. I have been using like other different grounding, like grounding mat, grounding devices, like to help me feel better. It's really good and it helps provide more positive energy. You know, if you like the nature, if you like natural organic stuff, this is probably something you want to try and see how you feel after a few days from using it. The side, okay, so what we do is we basically just connect it here and we let this other end, let me see which end, yeah, it's long, so we let this other end just on the ground, just basically like that. And we have another one for the pillows and we connect it here and we let. This is a tester to test if this cord is gonna be working and if the grounding cable is working. Snap the button of the earthing cord A to the end of the tester and then insert the pin of the earthing cord from here from the side B into the side of it, and then we are hit from off position to the on position, and this should be switched into the green light. Look at this, it's on green, which means that the grounding is working. This grounding bed sheet, fitted bed sheet with two pillowcases is really nice, and if you sleep throughout the night and use it every day, it's really wonderful. It will give you a really nice experience, better night sleeps and fresher mornings next day. I hope you like it and I hope you find it as useful as I do. Thank you for watching.